Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how you can turn off safe mode on your Android phone, whether you accidentally activated it or you're done troubleshooting your device. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's understand what safe mode is. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode in Android devices that temporarily disables all third-party apps. It's a useful feature for troubleshooting, but once you're done, you'll probably want to return to normal mode. Here are several methods to turn off safe mode. Method 1. Restart your phone. This is the simplest method to turn off safe mode. Press and hold the power button on your device until you see the power menu. Select Restart or Reboot. Once the device powers back on, it should be out of safe mode. If your phone is still in safe mode after restarting, don't worry, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Use the notifications panel. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Look for a notification that says safe mode is on or something similar. Tap on that notification and it should give you the option to turn off safe mode. Just follow the instructions. Method 3. Check the volume buttons. Sometimes safe mode is activated because of a stuck volume button. Inspect your volume buttons to ensure they are not stuck or damaged. Press the volume buttons a few times to see if that resolves the issue. Then try restarting your phone again. If none of these methods work, there might be a deeper issue with your device. Method 4. Factory Reset. Before you proceed with this method, ensure you back up all your data as this will erase everything on your device. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, System, then on Reset Options. Here you can tap on Reset All Settings. Follow the prompts to reset your device, and there you have it. Your Android device should now be out of safe mode and you can use it as usual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.